That again. EMG.
Dash on me, I got hit the lottery.
What's up, Danny gang? Welcome back to my channel. So judging by the title, y'all already know I'm lit. I'm so freaking excited. But before we even get into the video, I want y'all to know that I'm now the new members of the Danny gang. So if you want to be a member of the gang, all you gotta do is press subscribe, hit the notification bell, and put your fists up because we finna fight. Y'all, in 2020, I literally need people in my gang that know how to fight because it's finna get real in the field. Like, it's getting real ghetto out here. So yeah, put your fists up, let's fight. And yeah, subscribe, hit the bell. Let's fight, and you're a lifetime member, period. But without further ado, y'all, this is literally just an unboxing video. I'm probably gonna come back and do like a more detailed, in-depth video, but I just got a knock at the door. The doorbell just rang. I literally just finished the video because I literally just finished filming, but I heard the doorbell. I just got a package, and judging by the title, you already know what it is. So I wanted to go ahead and unbox it with you guys because I'm lit. I had asked you guys on the community tab and like in my life update video, I was like, do y'all think I should invest in a camera? And everybody said yes, and I'm so freaking excited because I went ahead and ordered it. So I just want to unbox it with you guys, show it to you guys. Literally, the box is still sealed. Like, I'm just about to poke it. Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm literally so freaking excited. Like, y'all, this is like the first major investment that I have did for my channel. This is literally the first major investment. Y'all already know I had a MacBook, but this is the first investment. So I said that I was going to invest in a new camera, and then I probably was going to invest in editing software. We're almost at 20K, y'all, and I want to give y'all like the best freaking videos and quality I can. So yeah, yo, I ordered the Canon Powershot the G7X Mark II. Y'all, this is like the perfect vlogging camera. Every vlogger I know has this or started with this. So yeah, I invested in myself. I invested in my channel. I invested in y'all, and I purchased the Powershot, the Canon G7X. Y'all, I'm so excited. So I don't really do unboxings on my channel a lot, but I thought that since I just got it, literally just opened it, I will come and share with you guys, just like unboxing and my first impressions. So for one, I cannot believe that I'm actually holding this in my hand. Y'all, this is a very expensive camera. This is a very expensive piece of equipment, and I'm not bragging in any way, form, or fashion. If it wasn't for y'all, literally, if it wasn't for almost 20,000 of y'all, I would not have this Powershot G7X, Canon G7X Mark II in my hands. Y'all, I almost ordered the Mark III, but after I did reviews and stuff, everybody was saying it's not a huge difference. Like, I didn't have to spend like another $200 or whatever just for that. So yeah, this is what I got. I'm so excited. So I got it in the color black. And let me just tell you guys some specs about it.
So it comes with the wrist strap, it comes with the battery and the charger, and you can connect it to Wi-Fi. It has a lens 1.8 to 2.8. It has a 4.2 times zoom. The type is 1.0, and it has 20.1 megapixels.
Y'all, I'm so excited. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So yeah. Are y'all happy? Leave me in the comments. Are y'all happy? Are y'all lit? Are y'all ready for like this amazing footage? So basically, this is what it looks like when you open it. So I know a lot of people are like, girl, we know what it looked like, but I'm excited. So we're going to unbox this thing together because we all a part of the gang. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It comes with the warranty, which is right here. It comes with my registration, which is right here. And it also comes with the getting started manual, which is thick as hell, right here. So yeah, that's that. So then as you keep opening it, we got the battery and charger right here. So I'm gonna leave that there. And then the camera. So yeah, here's the camera. I'm just gonna set it down, and then I'm gonna show you guys right here. We have the wrist strap. We have the battery. And then we also have the charger. Y'all, I'm so grateful. I'm just so grateful. Y'all don't even understand. And here's the charger or whatever. So we can charge our battery up. Because y'all, we finna be vlogging. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put that back in there. Maybe later. I've never really used a real camera. I've always used my iPhone. So I'm super excited to have a camera and just up my quality. So yeah, here it is, perfectly packaged. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. And basically, this is what it looks like. So this is a Canon G7X Mark II. And it's gorgeous, y'all. Literally gorgeous. And then this is what it looks like on the back. It has all the functions and everything like that. And then here we go. This is it. So yeah, now y'all, when I say feel like a real YouTuber, so yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me put the battery in and see if I can get let's see. Y'all, I'm so excited, like I don't even know what to say, but I'm about to put the battery in. And y'all doing all of this with me. Like, y'all literally are doing all of this with me. I don't have a memory card. So I'm going to have to go to Best Buy. All right, y'all. Hold on. Okay. I'm going to have to go to Best Buy or Walmart or something in the morning. But let's see. Y'all. So it says charge the battery, so I will charge the battery, but as we can see, it does pop on, but it's dead. So yeah, this is what it looks like, y'all. I'm so excited. Like I said, I feel so blessed, like blessed beyond freaking measures to have this camera. I am going to go ahead and charge the battery up and everything, but I kind of just, oh snap. Oh shiznit. Y'all, I cannot wait to play with this. I am going to guard this with my life. Like I said, it was very expensive. So I am going to make sure that I take care of it. But I wanted to just kind of come and like show you guys first because y'all helped me get it. I wanted to just come and show you guys me unboxing this. And I will definitely be doing a follow-up video how I like it. Hopefully in the next couple vlogs, I will be using this so that you guys can kind of see the difference in quality. Again, I've been using my iPhone 11 Max Pro, so the quality is pretty good. But I'm just super excited to actually have a camera. I feel like a real freaking YouTuber. And the next thing I'm going to do is upgrade my editing software. So yeah, that's all for this video. I just wanted to come show you guys, let you guys know that the Denny Gang is lit. We are upping our quality and I couldn't do it without you guys. So yeah, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, you already know what I want you to drop. The camera. Facts. Period. Y'all. Yeah, so what's up, Denny Gang? Welcome back to my channel, gang. Y'all, I'm just practicing. But thank y'all so much. I love y'all. I made it all the way to the end of the video. Drop the camera and I'll see you guys in my next video. And we did this together. Let's freaking go. Report live from the internet. Signing that back to you, world. Bye, guys. Deuces.